I'm going to talk about Coyote valve springs for a minute here. This is a common upgrade with Boost, and we've done extensive testing on the subject. I'm going to go over one of our go-to kits here. It would be the Comp 26113CY kit. Now, this kit uses PAC 1213 valve springs. Common applications for these are going to be GT Supercar for the what is it, the 0506 model years. 2 valve. They have a seat pressure when installed on this kit of 93 pounds. So perfect for VCT. Doesn't matter the oil viscosity. We've tested these without shimming or anything like that, all the way to 34 pounds of boost and a crap ton of power, full VCT, intake and exhaust on turbo. This kit comes with new retainers to match the springs. It comes with valve stem seals and hardened valve seats. In this particular set of CNC Gen 2 heads we're using for rear valves, we treated these valves. We don't generally do the springs. So all you're going to use is your stock retainers, or sorry, not the retainers, but the locks. Everything else the kit has, which is great. For the money, it really can't be beat because you have, these are the part numbers for your seats and for your retainers. The seals, I threw away the bag for the seals. But anyways, I would run these. These are what we replaced the PAC 1234X with. When the X is, they're going to fail. They get overheated. The harmonics of the Coyote are not a good match for those springs. We went with these. We tested the 1213s, 1214s. We tested the Manleys. Manleys, by far the best, in my opinion, but they're the most expensive. This Comp CSY, when we've had valve float issues, let's say with a supercharged application and Gen 2 springs that just aren't keeping up, Gen 1 springs, doesn't really matter. Throw these in and everything's solved. So our testing is, when I say extensive testing, we used an R&D vehicle before ever putting them into customer vehicles, customers' engines. And it's not like we got a little, spring analyzer and all this computer shit. No, we just go out in the field and do it. So we've tested multiple springs out there. This here for a guy like this one's going to be supercharged with a Whipple, going for 1300 to the tires. For a guy like that, this is my go-to spring. It's going to handle everything, even on turbos past that power range. It's a great little spring package. It really can't be beat. You're not going to have issues with these. Again, full VCT, you're not going to have valve float, and they should just go the life. They're a tried and true tested spring that's been used in mod motors for over 20 years. So again, here's the part number, Comp 26113CY, and this is the kit. There you go, boys.